Morning, everyone. It's 8:45 on Tuesday, and this is your pre-opening comment. It's video 573. And I remind everyone, if you like the work, please hit that subscribe button. Okay, so there's plenty of news around. Europe was basically mixed. Asia was basically mixed. Europe was actually up on the day. And we have just a little bit of news here and there. Some of it makes a difference, some of it doesn't. First of all, on Boeing, the 737 MAX is going to have its first flight with passengers today, and the stock is 218.78. That's up 269 or 1.2%. Really not much of a big deal after 2 years of having it flightless. Also, American Airlines is up a little, really minor, 1.1%, up 18 cents at 16.24. And the FAA also overnight is talking about new rules on drones flying over people and at night. I'm not sure that that's all that important, but nonetheless, it was a headline. The House approved the $2,000 checks for COVID relief. Included in that were 44 Republicans voting for it. And everybody's concerned about the Senate. Most people think it's unlikely to pass there, but stranger things have happened, and Trump is on his way out, so I'm not really sure that they have any overwhelming allegiance to him. HBO Max had massive downloads, and basically for the Wonder Woman movie, very exciting there. Okay, as I said, Boeing is up a little, American Airlines is up a little, and we have a couple of, the crazies seem to be back, and there are two stocks in that category. 10X, TENAX is the name, and the symbol is TENX. The stock has traded as high as 278. Last is 238, up $1.31 or 130% on some unrelated news. Universal Security, symbol UUU, had a massive move today on something that I cannot imagine makes all that much difference, but a holding company, New York Stock Exchange, DPW, agreed to buy 10%, 9.9% of their stock. This is a stock that closed at $1.07 yesterday. It's currently trading at, $10.21, up 7.13, 231%. What's interesting here is that purchase by DPW is 230,000 shares with a price of about $3.09. As I said, the stock is currently $10.21 with a high of $14.39. So we're up big on what is a minor purchase. UUU, by the way, makes smoke detectors and carbon dioxide, etc. And the stock has moved 14 million in equity, and that is 20 to 1 times what their agreement to purchase that stock actually is. So, as I said, crazy. Arcturus, ARCT, had a failed COVID test. The stock a year and a half ago was $12. It traded as high as 129 and change, and this morning is 57.20, down 35.28 or 38%. So it's not exactly all, rainbows and lollipops. Continental Resource CLE trading 1669. That's up 43 cents. It was raised to an overweight at KeyBank. And that's about it. The futures are showing the Dow up 141, the S&P up 15, and the Nasdaq up about 50. The chart on the screen is the dollar, and as you can see, that line that we drew in yesterday and the day before yesterday of this little uptrend was broken today. The low here was 89.64. Yesterday's low, 89.89. Today's low, 89.92. So if we break through there, we will again be substantially lower. The gold is up a couple of pennies. It was a very disappointing day, up $2.80. It was very disappointing because it got right up to that top of the channel that we noted yesterday, which was the same place it stopped a week ago yesterday and closed pretty close to the low. Hasn't broken the uptrend line. It's coming into a very sharp apex, and we'll just have to see which way it goes. There's a bunch of housing data out, but it's not out until the market is actually open, and I'll include that in tonight's closing comment if it's anything of substance. All right, everyone. Don't forget to hit the subscribe. Don't forget to get in touch with me if you are interested in trading futures, and I'll be back in a couple of hours.